After these two theorems, some illustrations are given, and the exercise 6.5 totally based on what? Pythagoras theorem and its converse. Last exercise of this topic based on Pythagoras theorem and its converse. Okay. So there are many sums. Enough sums are given. Round about, I can tell you, there are 17 sum. Okay. So 17 sum I will do here. So 3-4 illustration you can do by your own after doing 17 sum. Okay. I discuss each and every sum. Sides, first sum is sides of triangles are given below. You are given sides of triangle. It's objective question. Determine which of them are the sides of right angle triangle. Okay, are right triangle. In case of, suppose आपने प्रूव कर दिया कि these are the side of right angle triangle, then write the length of hypotenuse. And you know what is hypotenuse? The greatest side among three. We call it as hypotenuse because it is a side opposite to right angle, and right angle is a greatest angle in a case of right angle triangle. So side opposite to greatest angle is greater, so hypotenuse is greatest. First sum is sides are given as 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. देख के पता चल जाता है it is going to form a triplet. Here if you get 25 square, it is 625, and if you take 7 square it is 49, and if you take 24 square it is 576. So 576 plus 49 is 625. So here 25 square is 7 square plus 24 square. Therefore it is a right angle triangle. These three sides form right angle triangle. With what is the hypotenuse? With hypotenuse, as I said, a greatest side. What is the hypotenuse? 25. Clear? 25 centimeter. Now second sum is given as sides are given as 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. What is the biggest side? Here 8 is the biggest, so 8 square is 64. And 3 square plus 6 square is 9 plus 36. 3 square plus 6 square is 9 plus 36, 45. So both are not equal. Clear? So I can say that there cannot be the sides of a right angle triangle when it is not a right angle triangle. So we need not to find out hypotenuse. Okay, there is no question of hypotenuse arise. Okay. Third sum is you are given 50 centimeter, then 80 centimeter and 100 centimeter. See, 100 square is 10,000. Okay, and 80 square plus 50 square, that is 6400 plus 2500 will be 8900. So both are not equal. Therefore, it cannot form a right angle triangle. Okay. Pythagoras theorem does not satisfy by these three sides. So they cannot form a right angle triangle. Okay. Fourth sum is given like this. 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Triplet है. 12 का square is 144 plus 5 का square is 25. 144 plus 25 is 169 and 169 is 13 का square. So therefore they form right angle triangle. With hypotenuse क्या आएगा? 13. Clear? So it's not difficult sum. Okay, very simple sum. Now see question number 2. Here each and every sum will be done by using Pythagoras theorem. But in exam, they don't ask question according to exercise. Right? In exam, you have to judge whether this sum may we apply Pythagoras, या concept of theorem of area, या theorem of proportionality, या criterion. So that you can get the decision by practice only. Okay? So do more and more practice. PQR is a triangle right angle at P. Clear? And M is a point QR, point on QR, such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Show that PM square, जब एक साइड का स्क्वायर इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू साइड आवे तो समझ लेने का कि वी हैव टू अप्लाई कंसेप्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी, बिकॉज करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड इज इन सेम रेशियो, उसमें क्रॉस में पीएम पीएम आएगा, जो साइड का स्क्वायर है वो साइड क्रॉस में आएगी. अब देखो PQR is right angle triangle at P. So first I will draw a right angle triangle at P. Okay. Now they said M is a point on QR. M is a point on QR. Such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Same that theorem we have to apply. Right? I want PM square is equal to QM into MR. So I have to take these two triangle. Triangle RMP and PMQ. Then and then I will get side PM in both triangle. So it will be in a cross. So cross product में PM square आ जाएगा. So here to prove data में हम क्या करेंगे? We know that by theorem triangle RMP is similar to triangle PMQ. डायरेक्ट ले सकते हैं by theorem. Okay, by theorem. So I can say that their corresponding side in same ratio. अब पीएम लाना है तो पीएम मतलब फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एंड थर्ड, तो इधर का सेकंड एंड थर्ड क्या आएगा, एम क्यू. सो पीएम करस्पॉन्ड्स एम क्यू. फिर इज इक्वल टू, इधर पीएम मतलब फर्स्ट सेकंड, तो इधर आर एम मतलब फर्स्ट सेकंड. सो एम आर अपॉन पीएम. एम आर करस्पॉन्ड्स पीएम. So naturally if I cross multiplied it is PM square is equal to MR into QM. Clear? Got it? इस सब में आपको गिवन टू प्रूव एंड लिखना है साइड में, तो आप लिख सकते हो. गिवन में क्या लिखोगे, गिवन एंड टू प्रूव यू कैन राइट इट फ्रॉम योर सम. गिवन में हम लिखेंगे ट्राइंगल PQR is right angle at P, एंड दूसरा क्या लेंगे हम, PM परपेंडिकुलर टू QR. एंड टू प्रूव डेटा में क्या लिखेंगे हम, टू प्रूव में हम लिखेंगे PM स्क्वायर इज QM इंटू MR. ये लिखने से क्या फायदा होता है, इट विल रिमेन इन अवर माइंड के व्हाट इज गिवन एंड व्हाट इज टू बी प्रूव. सो प्रूफ में हम मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे. ओके, थियरम में तो गिवन टू प्रूव एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन आपको लिखना ही पड़ेगा, मगर सम में चलता है डायरेक्ट प्रूफ करो तो. ओके, इन फिगर, हियर फिगर इज गिवन. इन फिगर ABD is a triangle. Okay, a right angle at A, only this much given. And दूसरा दिया है and AC is perpendicular to BD. Show that first part you have to prove is AB square is equal to BC into BD. Second part you are asked to prove that AC square is BC into DC. And third part is AD square is equal to BD into CD. Indirectly it's a proof of the theorem, right? In order to prove three pairs of triangle, one by one similar, we require this ratio. Okay, or if they are similar, then ratio is same. If ratio is same, then they are similar. Now see here, first I draw figure. Okay, figure में दिया है ABD is a triangle, right angle at A, and AC is perpendicular to BD. वही हुआ. AB square is BC into BD लाना है आपको, तो आपको कौन सा ट्राइंगल लेना पड़ेगा पहले केस में, ट्राइंगल ABD and triangle BAD. AB नहीं, triangle BAD and D and ACD, ACB. AC स्क्वायर के लिए आपको AC दो ट्राइंगल में AC आता है, वैसे दो ट्राइंगल लेने का. AD स्क्वायर के लिए दो ट्राइंगल ऐसे लेने का जिसमें AD आता है. तो कॉमन बाय प्रीवियस थ्योरम वी कैन से दैट, प्रूफ में हम क्या लिखेंगे, बाय प्रीवियस थ्योरम we can say that. क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं, इफ AC is perpendicular to BD, then what can I say? फर्स्ट केस में हम ले सकते हैं ट्राइंगल ACB is similar to triangle BAD. Okay, ACB is similar to whole triangle. Then second केस में हम ले सकते हैं also triangle DCA, मतलब नीचे का साइड, ऊपर का DCA, AC के ऊपर का ट्राइंगल is similar to whole triangle ACB. Clear? Upper triangle is similar to whole, lower triangle is similar to whole, and case 3, both small triangle ACD is similar to triangle BAD. Clear? ACD is similar to BAD. Then DCA, ACB. Clear? पहले में नीचे का सिमिलर टू होल, तीसरे में ऊपर का सिमिलर टू होल, एंड केस 2 में ऊपर का स्मॉल ट्राइंगल इज सिमिलर टू नीचे का स्मॉल ट्राइंगल. ओके, क्लियर? 3 केस. फर्स्ट केस में दे आर सिमिलर सो देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड. क्या लेंगे, इधर अपने को AB लाना है ना, तो AB मतलब फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, तो ACB का फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड AB एंड BAD का फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड BD. सो AB करस्पॉन्ड्स BD इज इक्वल टू BC मतलब सेकंड थर्ड, तो सेकंड ट्राइंगल का सेकंड थर्ड क्या आएगा, सॉरी BC, ACB, AB फर्स्ट थर्ड BD. अब इधर तो इधर क्या हम लिखेंगे, BAD की जगह क्या लिखेंगे, AB अपॉन BD इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन AB आना चाहिए ना, तो DAB लिखेंगे, DAB. ओके, सो BC का क्या है, सेकंड थर्ड, राइट. सो AB अपॉन BD इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन AB. BC करस्पॉन्ड्स AB. एडजस्टमेंट लेने का implies AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू BC इंटू BD. आ गया पहला. नाउ दूसरे में DCA, तो AC लेते हैं तो सेकंड थर्ड, तो इधर का सेकंड थर्ड BC, सो AC करस्पॉन्ड्स BC इज इक्वल टू CD लिया, CD मतलब फर्स्ट सेकंड, तो इधर फर्स्ट सेकंड क्या आएगा, AC, सो CD करस्पॉन्ड्स AC. सो डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, इट इज AC स्क्वायर इज BC इंटू DC. क्लियर? एंड थर्ड केस में देखो आपको AD लाना है ना, तो ACD में AD मतलब फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, तो BAD में फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड इज BD, AD करस्पॉन्ड्स BD बराबर, इज इक्वल टू, अब आपको CD लाना है ना, तो CD मतलब सेकंड एंड थर्ड, तो इधर सेकंड एंड थर्ड क्या आएगा, AD, सो CD करस्पॉन्ड्स AD. सो अगर मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइड करूंगी तो AD स्क्वायर is equal to BD into CD. Clear? Clear? So all 3 parts we have proved by just concept of similarity. Okay? Sum number 4. You are given triangle ABC. Okay? Is an isosceles. Isosceles मतलब 2 sides and 2 angles are equal. Isosceles triangle. Right angle at, it is isosceles triangle and also it is right angle triangle. Both at C. Clear? Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. Now see, you are given a right angle triangle, right angle at C. It is not only right angle triangle, it is isosceles triangle also. So first I write ACB, right angle at C. Then AC, isosceles matlab AC is equal to BC. Because AC and BC cannot be equal to AB. AB is a hypotenuse, greatest side. I want to prove that AB square is 2AC square. So I start my proof in triangle ABC. You are given AC is equal to BC because it is isosceles. Now angle C is 90. So I can apply Pythagoras. So by Pythagoras, 1 minute में आ जाएगा. Pythagoras theorem. What I can write? AB square, hypotenuse square is AC square plus BC square. But AC is equal to BC. So in place of BC square, I can write AC square by 1. This I can give number 1. So it implies AB square is 2AC square. Clear? I applied Pythagoras and I applied number 1 also. It is right angle triangle and also isosceles. So when it is right angle triangle and isosceles, then hypotenuse square is always 2 times square of any side including right angle. Okay? Very simple sum. Sum number 5. See, triangle ABC is and फिर से isosceles triangle, isosceles भी बोलते हैं, isosceles भी बोलते हैं, with AC is equal to BC. Clear? If उसका कन्वर्स है, if AB square is equal to 2AC square, prove that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. So it is the converse of sum number 4. Clear? This is not a converse. It is converse of sum number 4. Because वहां जो given है, इधर प्रूव करना है, इधर जो प्रूव करना है वो वहां given है. So first of all, I draw the triangle. Clear? This is my triangle ACB. Because AC is equal to BC given. So C, right angle C पे ही आएगा. Now in triangle ABC, what is given? AC is equal to BC. This is given. And you are given, also you are given AB square is equal to 2AC square. So I can write it as AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. Okay? 1 AC square के लिए मैं लिख दूंगी BC square. AB square is AC square plus BC square by 1. So by converse of Pythagoras theorem, if square of one side is sum of square of other two sides, then triangle ABC is right angle at angle opposite to greatest side, so C, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Clear? This I have written by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay? So 4 and 5 are converse of each other. Okay? Very simple sum. Sixth sum is triangle ABC is an equilateral. अभी isosceles की जगह equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle मतलब all three sides are equal. Isosceles में two sides are equal. Of side length of each side is 2a unit. Okay. Find each of its altitude. You are asked to find out the length of altitudes. You know, equilateral triangle में all altitudes are of equal length. एक लेंथ निकाल दो तो तीनों तीन की सेम ही आएगी. ओके. सो हम ट्राइंगल पहले बना देते हैं. ओके. इट्स इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल ABC. All sides of measure 2a. Clear? From A, if I draw perpendicular AD is the altitude. Okay. Clear? I am asked to find out length AD. So triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. मतलब एंड इसका मतलब AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A. Length of each side is 2A. Now draw AD perpendicular to BC. So you know AD bisect BC. Equilateral triangle में perpendicular always bisect the base. We have learned. So I can write BD is equal to DB. BC and is equal to A. BD is A. Now in right angle triangle, I applied Pythagoras theorem. ADB right angle triangle हुआ ना. So Pythagoras से हम क्या लेंगे? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Implies AB square की जगह मैं 4A square लिख दूं, 2A का square. AD square I don't know, I have to find out, but BD square is A whole square. So what is my AD square? Is 4A square minus A square, so 3A square. So what is my length of altitude AD? Root 3A, right? And all altitudes are equal in length. So what is my length of each altitude? एक नहीं, each altitude is equal to root 3A unit. Okay. Length of each altitude is root 3A unit. Because equilateral triangle में all the length of altitude are equal. Clear? Seventh sum. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides, sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus. Rhombus मतलब it's a parallelogram, all side equal, is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonals. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर मुझे स्क्वायर दिया है ABCD, suppose ABCD is a square of length A unit and suppose AC and BD are the diagonal, then I am asked to prove that if ABCD is a square, then prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is AC square plus BD square. That's what I want to prove. Right? That is, इसका मतलब हुआ if ABCD is a square, then prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square. That's what I want to prove. Here, अगर मैं हर साइड के लिए जैसे मैंने फिगर में एज्यूम किया AB is BC is CD is DA and is equal to suppose A unit, then what is your diagonal? Then diagonal AC is equal to BD is equal to, I can apply Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, under root AB square plus BC square. So it is under root A square plus A square. That is under root 2A square, so root 2A. So what is my length of altitude? Square root of 2A. Now I start with my LHS. I should get LHS is RHS, okay? LHS is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. It is coming A square plus 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 A square. And that is nothing but 4A square. 4A square can be written as 2A square plus 2A square. Clear? 2A square is written as root 2A whole square plus root 2A whole square. Root 2A whole square is AC square. Another root 2A whole square is BD square. And that is my RHS. Clear? I start with my LHS and come to my RHS. Or otherwise you find out LHS 4A square. For RHS also you find out 4A square by 1 and 2. You can say LHS is RHS. That way also you can do it. Okay? No one is going to give you wrong. Separately you simplified LHS and RHS and then you compare. 8 सम में दिया है in figure. O is a point in the interior, अंदर की साइड है, interior of a triangle ABC. ABC के interior में एक point O लिया, and I have drawn OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and also I have drawn OF perpendicular to AB. I have drawn 3 perpendicular from interior point O. I am asked to prove that, show that, first part I have to prove is OA square plus OB square plus OC square, मतलब sum of square of 3 sides is equal to AE square plus CD square, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square. And second part they ask you to prove AF square plus BD square plus C square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. 2 part I have to prove. Clear? Now What to do? First I draw triangle ABC, okay? This is my ABC. O is the interior point. From O I draw ODE perpendicular to BC. OE perpendicular to AC. And OF perpendicular to this. Joined OA, OB and OC. Clear? So, मैंने जो किया वो मैं लिख देती हूँ joined OA, OB and OC. बस इतना ही मैंने किया. अब मैं 3 ट्रायंगल लेती हूँ. कौन कौन से? एक A और एक A. तो इन ट्रायंगल OFA क्या आएगा? OA स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AF स्क्वायर प्लस OF स्क्वायर, पाइथागोरस. Then in triangle ODB, right angle at D. Again I applied Pythagoras. OB square is OD square plus BD square. Give number 2. Then in triangle OEC, मैं लिखूंगी OC square is OE square plus EC square. Give number 3. Now I add 1 plus 2 plus 3. तो क्या मिलेगा पता है आपको? OA स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर प्लस OC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AF स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस C स्क्वायर, पहले वो ले लिया मैंने, प्लस OF स्क्वायर प्लस OD स्क्वायर. O वाले O से जो डिस्टेंस है वो अलग ले लिया. I bring all this OF square, OD square and O square on that side. So what I am going to get? First part I am going to get clear. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OF square minus OE square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square. Okay? बराबर. अब मैं कौन सा ट्रायंगल लूंगी? दिस एंड दिस, चौकड़ी वाले. इससे भी मुझे ऐसा ही मिलेगा, सेम. उसमें मुझे मिलेगा OA स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर प्लस OC स्क्वायर माइनस OD स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर इज, इंस्टेड ऑफ AF स्क्वायर I will get A square. Instead of BD square I will get CD square. And instead of C square I will get BF square. करके देखो. Another triangle का करके देखो, आपको मिलेगा सेकंड पार्ट का प्रूफ. See, AF square plus BD square प्लस C स्क्वायर. उसके लिए मैं लिख दूं, वो पहला रिजल्ट ही मैं फिर से लिखती हूँ. OA स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर प्लस OC स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर माइनस OD स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर. अभी मैंने जो 3 ट्रायंगल चौकड़ी वाले बताए ना, उसकी जोड़ी बनाओ. तो OA स्क्वायर में से आप क्या निकालोगे? OE स्क्वायर. तो मिल जाएगा आपको A स्क्वायर. ओके, ट्रायंगल बदल दो. फिर OB स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर करोगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा BF स्क्वायर. ओके, प्लस आप OC स्क्वायर में से OD स्क्वायर माइनस करो तो आपको मिल जाएगा CD स्क्वायर. एंड दैट इज RHS. क्लियर? राइट की जगह चौकड़ी वाले ट्रायंगल ले लो. ओके, सेम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. राइट की जगह क्रॉस वाली पेयर में Pythagoras लगाओ और जोड़ी बनाओ. You will get the answer. Clear? Now, sum number 9. A ladder 10 meter long. Very simple sum. Reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall. Very simple. चलो मैं ladder रखती हूँ. Suppose my AB is a ladder, okay? Clear? And this is a C is a foot of this is find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base. Base of the wall is C and A is the windows. Okay? And AB is a ladder of 10 meter long. And height of the window is 8 meter. I am asked to find out BC, okay? So, see, BC लाने के लिए क्या लगाएंगे हम? By Pythagoras theorem. What I can write? AB square is AC square plus BC square. Such a simple sum. So AB square is 100. AC square is 8 square. And BC square I don't know. So what is my BC square? 100 minus 64. So that is 36. So what is my BC? 36 का square root 6. So what is my distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall is equal to 6 meter. Clear? Got it? Distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall is 6 meter. Clear?